Today, I will continue to serve dark dishes of carbohydrate, rice pizza.
简单食材随便做做，书盖里走起。
Ingredients in the refrigerator: a bowl of rice, 3 eggs, a handful of fresh corn, a handful of green beans, a sausage, a few chives. Handle the ingredients first. Sausage sliced. Cut into strips, and we cut them into little grains the size of corn kernels. Chives cut into scallions. Beat the eggs into a bowl. Add salt, MSG, lots of pepper. Add scallions and beat evenly. Start pancakes. The electric cake bell does not fire. Oil drain. Pour in the rice. Press into an even base. Sprinkle with green beans, corn kernels, and sausage kernels in turn. Finally, drizzle the egg liquid evenly. Close the electric cake pan, up and down on high heat for 10 minutes. It's full of color and fragrance. Let's taste it with your eyes first. If you are not in a hurry, this pizza is basically enough for 2 people. Make a point. 1-sentence summary. This rice pizza, it is to put the ingredients of a Yangzhou fried rice made into a cake. R. Watch it. Don't burn it.
Skip soul chicken soup, duck soup's real warm. Not a single grain of leftover rice is wasted. Eat moral superiority. It just uses up a few more eggs.
Full now, see you next week.